Alright, lesson 4 is very similar to lesson 3, where we were adding linear expressions. Now we will be subtracting linear expressions. The only difference is that we have to distribute a negative first. So I distribute this negative. First parenthesis stays exactly the same. So 5x plus 4. Now negative times 3x gives me negative 3x. Negative times positive 2 gives me negative 2. So our expression is really 5x plus 4 minus 3x minus 2. You didn't have to do that distribution step with your addition. You were able to just jump right into combining like terms. Make sure you distribute the negative first when we're talking about negatives. Now we look at like terms. I see a 5x. I see a negative 3x. I see a 4. I see a negative 2. Make sure you keep the signs with addition and subtraction. So 5x minus 3x, or 5x plus negative 3x, leaves me with 2x. 4 minus 2 leaves me with positive 2. So 2x plus 2 would be our final answer. Okay, part B. Negative 4x minus 6 minus negative x minus 3. Again, distribute that negative. First part stays the same. Negative 4x minus 6. Negative times a negative x is a positive x. Negative times a negative 3 is a positive 3. Then, just like addition, combine your like terms. I see a negative 4x. I see a positive x. I see a negative 6x. I see a positive 3. So negative 4x plus x, negative 4 plus 1 would be negative 3x. Negative 6 plus 3 gives me negative 3. So negative 3x minus 3. I promise they don't keep repeating the numbers. Okay, 2a, find x minus 3 minus 2x minus 1. Again, distribute that negative first. Make sure you're actually writing this step. It's 5x minus 5, negative times 2x, so minus 2x. Negative times negative 1, negative negative gives us positive. Go through and find our like terms. We have an x, we have negative 2x, we have a negative 5, and a positive 1. So x minus 2x gives us a negative x, or negative 1x. Negative 5 plus 1 gives us a negative 4. So negative x minus 4. If you need to, you can write that 1 there so that it's a negative 1x. All right, last one like this. 6m plus 3 minus negative 4m minus 1. Distribute that negative. Keep the first parenthesis. Negative, negative gives us a positive. Negative, negative gives us another positive. Find our like terms. So 6m, 4m, positive 3, positive 1. 6m plus 4m gives us 10m. 3 plus 1 gives us 4. So there is your fully simplified expression, 10m plus 4. All right, let's look at a word problem. The expression 8x plus 48.75 represents the total amount of money the soccer team earned from selling X t-shirts. If the team had to pay 2x plus $24 in expenses, write an expression to represent their profit. Okay? So they're bringing in 8x plus 48.75. That's the money that they bring in. But then they have to pay 2x plus 24. Well, if I'm paying that, that means I'm losing that money, so we're subtracting. So distribute 8x plus 48.75 minus 2x minus 24. Combine like terms, highlight them, circle them if you need to. 8x minus 2x gives us 6x. 48.75 minus 24 gives us a positive 24.75. So 6x plus 24.75 represents our profit. So the money we brought in minus the money we had to pay gives us our profit. In part B, if the soccer team sold 54 t-shirts, what was their profit? Again, start with our expression. So that's not a 64. So 6x plus 24.75. Go if I sold 54, I'm going to substitute. So 6 times 54 plus 24.75. 6 times 54 is 324. Still plus 24.75. Add those together and we get 348.75, and we're talking about money. So $348.75. All right, there is lesson 4, subtracting linear expressions.